Hi guys, today I will show you a special code for testing your device. You got to go to phone and stick this combination. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This combination will be below here. I write you to stick it out, and now you can test your LCD, light sensor. Megacam is the main camera from your phone. You can also try your front camera, check your sensor, touch, speaker, to check your how it's loud. Anyway, sub-K and much more function. As you can see, red color. My LCD has lighting fault right here. I don't know. You can also see here is more lighting white. Anyway, vibration, like I said, Megacam, touch, much more about sensor. When you test your phone, I recommend to check all the function from this menu. Of course, I hope the video you enjoyed. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!